Hi guys, InfoCreo team is back with the new product review. Today I am going to give you the product review of GoPro Cam Hero 6. I am Anand Kumar. I am going to do the unboxing for this product. So the basic specification, I will give the details. Before that, you can have a look of this product. It's very beautiful and very handy, compact cam. So you can use it for your traveling best. No need of carrying very large DSLR or any other options. This is very handy. You can use it as well as under the water. So that is the benefit of using the GoPro Cam. Best part is that it's a resolution and other specification which is really good. We do have lots of functionality inbuilt in the GoPro Hero 6, but if you go to the market, you will be getting it lots of competitor options. Sony camera action cam, that is FDR X3000, is one of the best action cam which is utilized as a competitor of Hero 6. And there are other options like TomTom Bandit, Olympus Stuff DG Tracker, Wildlight Action Camera, Hero GoPro 5C. So that is also one of the best option. So here we are going with the Hero 6, which is one of the best suggested by the market analyst, and actual reviewers, they have also given good review for that. So I am also going to do the unboxing for this review. Let's begin with that. So basic specification I'm going to give you, that is 12 megapixels camera for 4K resolutions with 60 ps, and it's very lightweight, 118 gram. It has 2-inch LCD display which is having a 16:9 ratio of JPEG and RAW. It has image stabilization in 4K 30 fps, but it don't support image stabilization for 4K 60 fps. And the best part, it supports the wireless type, that is 802.11 BGN. Let's begin with the unboxing. So let me cut this one. So be with us. So this is the clip here. You can just take it out, and you will be having some inside some items. Nice package. Wow, I liked it. Okay, so this is the product which I'm seeing it here. Oh wow, let's give this box out. These are the accessories which we have got along with this GoPro. So let's have a look what are the things we have. So this is USB cable which is used for charging as well as data transmission purpose. One lithium battery for the GoPro. Some stickers they have given for utilizing and promo purpose. You can use these stickers. And this is the manual for GoPro. In English it has been language most preferably. 1 year of warranty card. 2 mounting options which is looks like for flat options where the glue is already given. One is the little curve, you can feel it, and where you can keep it for your helmet options. This is very good. And other options maybe you can get it using some mount option which is in the camera. And this is the documentation guideline where you can use how to mount this camera, how to open this camera from the cover, and how to utilize this. And this cover is very nicely they placed so that it won't break. It's a nice durable plastic cover kind of thing for camera, and nicely open options. You can click here, you can take it out this case, and you can see here is your GoPro camera. Just little tweak you have to do and take it out this camera. Yeah, so this is the frame where you can mount it for your helmet, car, or anywhere, wherever you feel like. And you see, so sleek. And so let me power on this device. So before that, there is one screen which is blocking the actual screen. So let me take it out peel it this sticker. And there is nice shiny disc screen which is touch screen. Let me power on and we'll see what is there. Yeah, wow, that's really amazing. Nice clarity. GoPro screen, some banner they have given here, and you can see it's asking me which language we have to support. So I'm supporting as English language. Let me give. It's asking for terms and privacy. So let's agree for that term and conditions. It's asking for term conditions, so let's agree for that. And it's asking for GPS location. Let me on that as well. Wow, so it's starting off how much FPS we want to use this camera. So let's 60. What else? Okay, advanced settings are options here, and the video settings preference is here. So these are the some preference they have given. You can go ahead with understanding, or you can use the user manual. Okay, the connection part and media part is here. Let's start with ready. Okay, take some time. Here you can see this is Apple and Android application support which they have given. So it's looking for you have to install this application and use this device and password to sync with that. So right now it's looking for the application. Let me have in my mobile this application so that I can connect with that. Guys, let's come out with shooting options. So I'm going to show you indoor as well as the outdoor shootings. Now running video. Walking video. So guys, finally we are end of the unboxing. So you have seen how the GoPro cam is efficient for recording in multiple mode. Thanks guys, we'll be coming with some more review videos and hope you people like it. Thanks for watching this video. Please do subscribe and share with this, and please click on the bell button for the notification of the any new video. Thank you.